Hi guys, my name is Viral Shah and welcome to my channel Render Rebels. I am an Unreal Authorized Instructor by Epic Games, which makes me a perfect candidate to teach you guys Unreal Engine. So we are going to start an introductory series on Unreal Engine. We are going to look what is Unreal Engine, where Unreal Engine is used in the industries, different sectors where Unreal Engine is used. We are going to divide this series into several videos like installing the Unreal Engine, navigating in Unreal Engine, creating a basic scene with the help of starter content. Then we are going to move on to materials, how you can create your own materials with the help of your own textures. Then we are going to move to lighting, and then we are going to create a simple scene by combining all that what we have learned from past videos, and then we are going to render that scene out with the help of movie render queue. So without any delay, let's jump into Unreal Engine. Now you can see we are into Unreal Engine website. As you can see in the video, Unreal Engine is used in various industries, like it is used in game. Then if I scroll down, you can see it is used in film and TV, it is used in broadcast and live events, it is used in animation, it is used in architecture, it is used for automotive, it is used for simulation. If I click on architecture, on automotive and on film and TV, you can see it is used in architecture industry for interactive purpose to visualize how buildings will look, how 2 BHK apartments will look. And if I scroll downwards, you can see it is used live with some basically architecture buildings. Then you can see they are used in VR also. Okay, then there is a beautiful scene which you can even download to see how they created it into Unreal Engine. So now let's say you have a client and he wants like 10 versions of his sofa. So he wants like a two-seater sofa, a three-seater sofa, a four-seater sofa. Now what you do traditionally, you go render it again, then present to client. You again go, you render it again and present to client. But with the help of interactivity in Unreal Engine, you can create it easily with the help of blueprints. Okay, if I close this tab, then if I move to automotive, you can see big brands like Audi, like Jaguar, like BMW, Porsche. They are using Unreal Engine for interactive stuff as well as for advertising stuff. I would encourage you to see XUV700 website. In that you will find Unreal Engine is used beautifully to present that car. Then if I move to film and television, you can see basically it is used in animated movies, then it is used in films, in TV series. Then there is this famous scene of Matrix that you can even use in Unreal Engine. You can see they are using meta humans basically to animate that live and interactively in Unreal Engine. Okay, then there are much more here. Sony have used basically in Love, Death and Robots, which is a really great series you should watch if you haven't watched till now. Okay, so now let's see how we can install Unreal Engine. So for that you need to go upwards and then you need to do two things. Okay, first you need to basically download Epic Games Launcher. Okay, once the downloading is finished, you need to install the Epic Game Launchers in your PC. For using Epic Games, you need to have either a Google account or you need to have a Epic Games account. I personally use my Google account because basically I can track each and every plugins that I have purchased in my Gmail also. So that's a good thing to do, but it's up to you again. If you want, you can use either your Epic Game account or you can use your Google account also. Please stay till the end of the video because I am going to show you a technique in which basically you can save 20 to 30 GB of your space while installing Unreal Engine. And yes, if you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. If you are not understanding my language, please let me know in the comment section below so I can improve my language skills and make better videos in the future. Once you log in into Epic Games account either with your Gmail or Epic Games account, you will be directed to this page. You will not see something like this. Basically, you will see a store page if you are installing Unreal Engine for the first time, or if you have installed Epic Games Launcher for the first time, you will see a store page of Epic Store. Okay, here you will find various games. Again, it's not our topic, but there are some really good games which you can play. Again, we will jump onto Unreal Engine and now you can see the page has been changed. Here you can see there are news related to Unreal Engine. Then there are some really great samples that Unreal Engine provide us, Epic Game provide us basically to play with. There is a Electric Dream environment. Then there is the hillside example, if you remember, which we saw on the Unreal Engine website in architecture tab. Then there are meta humans. Then there is this sample, city sample pack, which we again saw in films and TVs. Okay, now then there is a tab of marketplace. In marketplace, basically you will find content related to Unreal Engine. Then there is library, and here in library you will see the Unreal Engine version that you have installed. If you haven't installed anything, you will not find anything here. Okay, here are my projects which I have been basically using from the past 2 to 3 months. Here you can see the versions that the projects are created from, and here you can see we are having some vaults also. So basically this is the library that I have either purchased or I have got free from Epic Games. Okay, if I scroll back upwards again, you can see I have currently installed 5.2.1 and 5.3.2. Now if you haven't installed Unreal Engine here, what you need to do, you need to click on this plus sign, and then you need to click on the version. Right now we are having 5.4.0 a preview version. Okay, but if you want to install a stable version, you will find just below the 5.4.0 5.3.2, and you just need to install it. Now let's take example of 5.4.0. You go for 5.3.2. I will show you how you can do the installation process. And if you remember, I told you we can save like 20 to 25 GB during the installation. So let's see how we can do that first. So what we will do, we will click on install here. Okay, and now you can see it's saying basically it's in preview, so it's in testing only, but you will not see this window in 5.3.2. You will directly go to this thing. If you remember, I said that we will save 20 to 25 GB. Now how we are going to do that? We are going to click on options here, and if you scroll down you can see we are currently using a download size of 26 GB. So 26 GB is going to get downloaded, and the required storage to install this engine is around 80 GB. So let's reduce it a bit. If you see here, you will see a targeted platforms. Now we are not going to use it for Android, iOS or Linux right now. Okay, it doesn't mean that it cannot be used. Basically, if you need to compile a APK which is Android supported, if you are compiling a iOS file, or if you are compiling a Linux file, then you will need these things. But we are not going to do that, so we will just uncheck this. And don't worry, if you are going to use it for development purpose, you can again turn that on later also. So what we are going to do, we are going to click on apply, and now you can see we have saved like 40 GB of space here. We are going to click on apply, and then we are going to click on install. We will see how you can basically start Unreal Engine, how you can navigate in Unreal Engine, what are the starter templates that Unreal Engine provide us in the next video. If you like my video, don't forget to share this video to your friends, like my video and subscribe to my channel to get the further updates on this series. So see you until next time. Bye bye.